Hello. Can you say that?
Yeah.
Hello. Can you say that? What's that, vanilla?
Yeah.
Let me see. You do that? Oh.
Start it?
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello. Anybody home?
Anybody in there? Ray, you ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's up, everybody? I'm Ryan, and what's your name? What's your name? Well, this is Reagan, and we have a very special friend with us today. Who do we have with us? Do we have Uncle Demo?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is DeMario, or Uncle Demo to us.
Hi.
And today we are going to make some ice cream. Are you?
Dad.
What's that? Oh, that's Pinky. That's Uncle Demo's mom. You want to say hi? Yeah, that's Jahrynn.
That's my sister. You tell her hi?
You want to say hi?
She's like, wait, hold up.
We got a full house. We have some family over. We got some of our friends, some of our dearest friends, and we are just gonna make some ice cream. So Uncle Demo is all the way from LA.
I'm very excited.
Yeah.
I'm very excited.
Me and Uncle Demo have been besties since high school, and we go way, way, way back. Maybe I'll throw in a photo so you guys can see what we look back with the long hair,
Oh,
and
man.
the big jerseys and the pink tees.
Oh, yes.
Uncle Demo, we'll show them what Uncle Demo just got you, all right?
You want to see it?
I want to here.
Uncle Demo just brought this all the way from LA. You want to show your friends?
Yeah. LeBron James!
Mommy and Daddy aren't the biggest fans, but we love Uncle Demo, so we'll let it happen, huh?
Yeah.
Do you like that? Yeah, LeBron's pretty cool.
We love LeBron.
So today we're gonna make a really fun ice cream. We are going to make Cookie Monster ice cream. Are you excited? Yeah, me too. So we're gonna use some homemade cookies that my lovely wife Allie just made. Shout out.
Yes.
Right over there. And we're going to use some Oreos. And the best part, we're going to use the hammer because we're gonna smash them. Are you excited for that? Yeah. So anything you want to tell our friends? No. We'll say, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. So Ray, to make ice cream.
I want a coaster.
So Ray, first things first. What do we need?
Sugar.
Sugar.
We'll use sugar first. We will use a measuring cup. We will get our sugar. And how much sugar should we use?
That big.
Big sugar? Should we have Uncle Demo do it?
No, I want to do it.
All right,
I
so
want Uncle Dino to do it.
you want him to do it? All right, cool. I got an idea. How about you hold this, and Uncle Demo pours in 3/4 cups of sugar.
You
All
ready?
right.
You gonna hold it?
All right, cool.
Okay.
We'll hold it. Perfect. Tell him he's doing such a good job.
Oh, yeah. Let's see. Uh-oh.
Cool.
How much do I pour in, Reagan?
Big.
Big? Okay.
And
Oh, I'm spilling. Oh, no.
Oh,
I'm
that's
bad.
perfect. That's perfect.
Oh, man.
Oh man.
Oh, wait.
Should I
I
take
like
some
it.
too?
It tastes good. Sugar. We love sugar.
Mama's gonna love that.
We love sugar.
So now we got our 3/4 cup sugar, but now we need to pour it into our bowl.
That would be
All right, cool. So there we go.
Yeah.
All right, so we've got our sugar.
Can Uncle
And-
Demo have some?
Should Uncle Demo have some?
Can I have some? Okay.
There we go.
Oh, what's the sugar?
So now that we've got our sugar in here, what do we need next? Milk. Let's get
Yeah.
it.
I want Uncle Dino to look at it.
Oh, sounds good. Do you need me to do anything?
No, Uncle Dino will do it.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay. We're gonna do this.
Well, the new name of the show is Uncle Demo and Ray Make Up.
sorry. Like, sorry, Dad.
So let's tell them we'll do 1 cup of whole milk.
You ready?
Couple of
Okay.
Cool. You tell them when to stop.
stop.
Oh, that's actually good.
That is.
All right, cool. So now,
Yeah.
good job.
All right. Is that good? Can Uncle Demo have some? Can I have some? You ready? Oh man, this is good. Yeah, we love this. Woo! That's some good milk. Okay. Let's do that.
Oh, man.
Okay.
All right, so now that you and Uncle Demo both had some sugar and some milk,
Yeah.
you want to tell Uncle Demo what we need next?
What's next?
Cream.
Cream!
Yeah!
That's right!
Add them cream.
We use our heavy...
Deep in the pan and I.
You want to pour?
Yeah.
Okay. here.
Sounds good. So we will do 2 cups of whole cream. You guys can do it
You
together.
ready? Here, we'll do it together.
There we
1,
go.
2, 3. There we go.
Stop.
Oh no, we still got to do a little bit more. We'll do 2 cups.
Stop.
All right, cool.
Yeah!
Sounds good. So, you'll pour that in. Good. Oh.
Uh-oh. There we go. You know what time it is. We don't play around here.
No.
Uncle Demo have some?
Oh.
Oh, that. Oh, man. Oh, man, Megan, I don't like that one.
Should I clean you up?
No.
No. Okay.
No.
So now that we've got the sugar, we've got the milk, we've got the cream. Do we need vanilla next?
Yeah.
All right, cool. We will get our Madagascar vanilla.
We got shake it.
Oh, you shake it?
Oh, yeah.
All right, sounds good. Let me put the top back on. Shake it up. Nope. Almost hit Uncle Demo. Almost took out his eye. So how about Uncle Demo holds that, and you hold that. We'll do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour it over, and dump it.
Yeah.
There we go. And now,
Yummy.
yummy. So now what makes Cookie Monster ice cream so special?
I want Oreos.
Yeah, Oreos, you're 1 step ahead of me because we also need to put in the blue coloring.
I want the blue coloring.
Good idea.
Blue coloring.
Blue
Yeah.
coloring!
I want to try it.
Oh, well, don't try it straight up. This would be good. All right, so, okay.
Yeah. That's
We
right.
don't have an exact amount, but we're just going to pour it in.
Rock and roll,
woo.
Ray.
That should be good.
Yeah.
And, yeah, that's probably good enough.
You
All
like
right.
that?
Let's try it.
Oh, don't try it. No,
Oh.
that's, There we go.
Yummy.
Yummy!
Ooh, ice
All right.
cream. You say ice cream.
We
So-
have one more green. We gotta get Oreos.
Oh, we do have to get Oreos, but
Ooh.
first things first. So this is gonna be our base. So let's put this aside for now because now we need to smash up the Oreos and the cookies.
Yeah.
Oh no! It's just blue food coloring. So what do we need next?
I wanna get Oreos.
We have our Oreos right.
Yummy.
Yeah, we have our Oreos right there. How many Oreos should we use?
I want this one.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. You want to use more than 2?
No.
You want to use 10?
Yeah.
Okay. So we got 1 in there.
You have to try it.
Oh,
Yeah.
some quality control. It's important.
Is it yummy?
What do you think? All right, cool. Should we put that in? No?
We're gonna eat
Sounds
that one.
good. I've already lost track, so we're just gonna,
Throw them all in.
yeah, we'll throw them all in. We've eaten quite a few. So we have those, but Mama also just made some really good cookies with Aisha Curry's cookie recipe. Shout out.
Shout out to the Currys.
That's right. That's right. So should we put those in here too? No? There we go. Let's put the rest in here. Let's take a couple cookies. How many cookies should we take? All right, cool. So we used 2, and let's do maybe 1 more.
Uncle Nemo's gonna have a bite of cookie. Want a bite? There you go. Take a bite, go. We like the cookies. It's good.
We love cookies. Yeah. You know who else loves cookies? The Cookie Monster.
Oh.
So now we have all of our cookies in here, but we can't just put these in the ice cream like this. That wouldn't be any good. So what do we need to get to smash these up?
Hammer.
Hammer. That's right.
Okay.
Ready?
All right.
Woo! There we go. There we go.
There we go.
Uncle Demo have a bite? Mmm. It's hammer time. That's very good.
Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Great smash.
Wait, you want a bite? There we go. That's right. One more bite? There we go.
All right. Should Uncle Demo try the hammer? All right, cool.
Okay. Here,
There we go.
you hold this. There we
Did
go.
Daddy have some? He said, good job, Uncle Demo.
Oh. Thank you. Yeah.
Cool, this looks pretty good. Daddy will try? Or not? Ah, thank you. There we go.
Yeah.
Really get them. Whoa. Oh, gotta watch your fingers. All right.
No,
Okay,
good
thank you.
thinking.
Thank you. All right, Reagan's turn. Reagan's turn.
There we go. You can do a last smash.
Whoa! Ooh, that's right. Oh yeah. Girl power. Girl power. Oh man. We're doing baseball lessons this summer. Baseball lessons. Oh yeah. Oh
man. I think we need a new table. So
yeah.
now we have.
What is that?
Yeah, the cookie. So now we've got all of our cookies right here. I almost forgot we were filming. So we're all set. So now we're gonna take our base over to our ice cream station and we'll get it mixing. All right?
Yep.
I'll hold that.
You wanna hold this?
It's party time.
All right, hold that. Sounds good. All right, next step.
You ready? Woo! Let's go.
No ice cream.
No ice cream yet.
Yep.
We've got our base right here. You can tell all the food colorings in there. Ray's
Yeah.
putting this together. We've got Uncle Demo over there.
Woo!
So now we're going to take this, and Ray, you want to turn on the KitchenAid? Ray is going to put that down. You want to turn it on? There we go. All right, so we're going to mix it, and we'll let it go for about 5 minutes, and we'll come right back.
Yummy.
Yummy! We love that!
So now, it's been a couple minutes. We got a good blue color, so we're going to turn that off, and we're going to let Ray take the first bite, as always. There's that. Ray, what do you think?
Or deeper tray.
Okay. That's right.
All right.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Oh,
Uncle Demo, what do you think?
I love it. It's perfect.
Yeah.
I love it.
Ray, you make good ice cream. So we'll let it mix for just another minute. But Ray, you know what we're gonna get next? What are we gonna get?
Cool.
Oh, Ray,
Look at that.
You get a little blue on you? What do you think?
Is it good?
Yummy blue. All right.
Oh man.
Ray, as always, loves the cold bowl. You want Uncle Demo to do it?
All
So,
right.
take that off. You want to help Uncle Demo put the cold bowl in?
There we go. Woo!
So now we can stop that or speed it up. So we'll take
I want that.
You want that? How about Uncle Demo takes this and he can pour it into the cold bowl. You want to help him with that?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Wow, good job, guys. All right, Ray, so what should we do next?
Drink.
Oh, all right. Well, I was thinking something more practical. Putting this on, or you can just do that.
Uncle Demo have some? Uncle Demo have some? Oh, thank you. You ready?
And my turn.
Your turn. We got Jahrynn is caring. That's right. Okay. All right. Oh man, nap time's gonna be fun. All right.
All right, so while Ray finishes that off,
All right.
we're gonna put the top on. Uncle Demo, you want to turn that on? There we go. So we'll let that go for about 25 minutes, and then we'll come back, put it all together.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? You ready? 1, 2, 3.
But I actually have
Oh.
work out. So I just worked to San Francisco, but I still
You ready? Where'd it go?
I know.
All right.
There we go, Ray. So we have our ice cream is all done. You can see it's got a real good blue color to it. Ray, okay.
What is that?
Taste it. Ray, what do you think? It's good? All right, cool.
Can Uncle Demo have some? Mmm. That's very good.
Do you like it, Ray? Yeah. Cool. So we'll take this and we'll put it over into our next container, and then we'll put in the cookies. Does that sound good?
Let's go.
Let's
Go!
go.
All right, so we are back. We've got our container right here, and we're about to finish this up. Blue ice cream, which is really just vanilla ice cream with blue food coloring. First things first, what we have to do is take this and pour it into our container. So I'll take that. Uncle Demo, you wanna do the honors? You can put that into the container, and then you can help him scoop it in.
You ready? Yeah, there we go. There we go.
There we go. Good job, Ray.
There you go. Oh, there we go. There, that's a big scoop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ray, is it looking pretty good?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Here's all of our ice cream. Uncle Demo did such a good job putting it all together.
Yeah.
We're not done because Ray, what do we need next?
Oreo.
Oreos. We need our cookies.
Can Uncle Demo have some? Oh man.
Oh, so good, Ray. You make good ice cream. And now what we need to do is pour it in. There we go. Woo! Uncle Demo, if you want to do the honors, you can take that and you gotta mix them all in.
Oh yeah.
You want to help Uncle Demo mix
help?
up?
There we go. Oh
Alright.
yeah.
There we go. Doing taste test.
This is good. Is it good? Oh, thank you. Oh, man, thank you.
Oh man. Uncle Demo does such a good job. You can see that all of our cookies and all the Oreos are mixed in so good. Ray, I think we are all done. Was it really good? It was really good. What we'll do next, as always, we will put the top on. We'll put it into the freezer, have it turn into hard ice cream. Then me and Uncle Demo are going to eat it all with the rest of the family. Before we go, Uncle Demo, we just want to thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
As always, it's an honor to be with you. And like I said, we go way, way, way back.
I love you both. Reagan, thank you. Thank you.
On the table.
Yeah, can Uncle Demo have some more? Yeah. Oh man, that's good. Thank you. I love you.
Say we love you, Uncle Demo.
My favorite people.
Yes, absolutely. It's almost nap time. This is gonna be the worst nap that she's ever had. But
Sorry. Sorry, Mom.
anyway, definitely good for you to subscribe on YouTube. That'd be really cool. And if you want any of this, let us know. Although you did see her hands all over it, so go with that at your own risk.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're out of here for now. Ray, what do we say to our friends? Well, she's a little busy right now, so on the behalf of Reagan and Uncle Demo,
Yes.
we will just say bye-bye. See you later, guys.
Peace. Oh my God, Reagan.
Put it on the table.
Yeah. Here, Uncle Demo. Here, Uncle Demo, wipe your nose. You ready? Woo, big girl. Yeah, big girl.